Good morning, student. Once again, I am here with you, and I'm going to continue lesson number 9 from your book Beehive. The name of the lesson is The Bond of Love, written by Kenneth Anderson. So, I told you this is a story of a sloth bear who was bought by the narrator, and he was gifted this cup to his wife, and there was a strong bond grew between them, the bond of love and friendship, and an emotional bond was between them. Now I'm going to continue the lesson, so let's begin. Now children, I am going to continue with the paragraph 4. So let's start. I already told you yesterday that how the writer he bought that baby bear to his house, and how that the mother of that cub was killed by them only when they had gone for hunting, and he was put in a gunny sack and gifted to his wife. Now his wife was very delighted. She was very happy that that bear is there with them. So I'm going to start from here. As you can see, I ran up to it to attempt a capture. It scooted into the sugarcane field. Now children, when the mother was shot dead, and so the baby bear, it was on the back, but then he realized something worse has happened to his mother, so he escaped and he went to the field of the sugarcane, and this word is there. Scooted means ran away quickly into the sugarcane field. Following it with my companion, I was at last able to grab it by the scruff of its neck. A scruff is here, this word children, back of its neck, while it snapped and tried to scratch me. Okay, so he caused him by the scruff of its neck, and then he started scratching him. Okay, while it snapped and tried to scratch me with its long hooked claw. Snapped, the meaning of snapped. Snap means to bite. He started biting to protect himself and tried to scratch me with its long hook claws. We put it in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore. Now children, when he went back to his place, when he went back to Bangalore, I duly presented this to his wife. She was delighted. She was delighted. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck. Now the first thing what she had done, she had put a colored ribbon around its neck, and after discovering the cub was a boy, she christened it Bruno. Now children, this word, okay, this is a new word children. When a person keeps his name, when a Christian person keeps his name, certain tradition is being followed in the church, and then the name is kept. So she christened it Bruno. The name of that baby bear was christened it Bruno. Well, Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. Now a very nice thing. First of all, he was not fussy like other bear. Okay, the wife of the narrator, she gave him some milk in the bottle and he drank it. It was but a step further, and within a very few days he started eating and drinking. Now children, not only that, after few days he started everything, eating and drinking. Whatever he used to get, everything else means whatever he used to get. And and everything is the right word for he ate porridge. Now children, now I will be telling you what he ate. So everything is the right word for it. Okay, why why everything? Because see, this is an important point, this whole thing. You have to learn what else, what he used to eat and what he used to drink. This is very important. So let's discuss. So first of all, he used to eat porridge. Porridge is made from milk, okay, and other ingredients also. Vegetables, he used to have vegetables, fruits, nuts, meat, especially the meat of a pork he loved. Pork is a pig. Curry and rice regardless of condiments and chilies. Bread, eggs, chocolates, sweets, pudding, ice cream, etc., etc., etc. As for drink, now not only he ate so many things, he loved to eat so many things, whatever he was given, but he loved to drink also. Now let's see what he liked to drink. Milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, buttermilk, of course, beer, alcoholic liquid too he used to have, and in fact anything liquid. It all went down with relish. So children, it relish means he, this word children here, relish. Relish means he enjoyed the taste. Relish means he enjoyed the taste. Now coming back to paragraph 7. The bear became very attached to our two Alsatian dog and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. He was left quite free in his younger days. Now children, he was very much attached to the dogs. They were having two Alsatian dogs, and not only that, he was attached to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. Okay, so children, he spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. So he was very much, he used to do all this thing. One day an accident befell him. Now children, one day he met with an accident. I put down poison barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. Now barium carbonate is a poison which was put by the writer to kill the rats and mice that had got into his library. Bruno entered the library as he often did, and he ate some of the poison. So what he ate? Bruno the bear, he ate some of the poison which was kept in the library to kill rat and mouse. Well, then children, what happened when he ate the poison? Paralysis set in the extent that he could not stand on his feet. Now he started suffering from paralysis. He was not able to stand also, but he dragged himself on his stumps to my wife. Now he dragged himself on his stump to his wife, who called me. I guess what had happened. Off I rushed in the car to the vet residence. Now he went to the veterinary. What is the meaning of vet? Vet is a veterinary doctor. Resident is a home. And it was a case of poisoning. Tame bear, barium carbonate, what to do? Now children, even he was surprised because it was a tame bear. That was, he has to be taken much care, and barium carbonate is a poison. Now even he was not knowing that what to do to him. Well, we will go to page number 115, I think. Yes. So we are here, paragraph number 9. Out came his medical books, and a feverish reference to index began. Now children, he took out his medical book and he begin to see the index. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate. Now children, he started saying that which carbonate, which is the poison and what medicine should be given. So he started looking at the index. Yes, BA, barium salt. Barium carbonate. Symptom. Now he started reading the symptom from the book. If somebody has taken barium carbonate, then what would be the symptom? Paralysis. Then he started reading of the treatment. Injection of dash dash dash. So children, he started, okay, not only the treatment symptom, then this is the thing that which injection he should get. Just a minute sir, I will bring my syringe and the medicine. Now he told ki just you wait, and now I'm going to give him some medicine with the help of the syringe. Syringe is a, what is syringe? Syringe is injection. A dash back to the car. Bruno is still floundering about on his stump. Well, they dash back to their car. Dash is rust. Okay, floundering means finding difficult to walk. Bruno was still floundering. What is the meaning of floundering? Difficult to walk. He was having a lot of difficulties in walking. Then about on his stump, but clearly weakening rapidly and very fast. He was feeling weaker. Some vomiting, heavy breathing. Now children, he started doing he started vomiting, and he started taking heavy breath with heavy flanks and gaping mouth. Flank is sides. Flank is side. Okay, so gaping is open mouth. So he started opening his mouth and he started breathing heavily. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squealed. Now I am here with the paragraph 10. Now children, everybody was called to help him. Okay, he started telling that just hold him, because he had already grown big and he was a heavy bear. It goes the hypodermic. Bruno squealed. 10 cc of the antidote into his system without a drop being wasted. Now children, he was now given the injection. When injection was given, he just squealed. What is the meaning of squealed? Squeal means shouted. So that antidote entered his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Now children, after 10 minutes later also the condition was not changed, and the 10 cc injected. Now 10 cc was injected again. 10 minutes later, breathing less. Storus is here, loud and powerful. Now children, after 10 minutes showing its effect, okay, he started breathing less. Storus means loud and powerful breathing. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand yet. Now children, he can move his arms and legs, though he cannot stand yet. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. Now after 30 minutes, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. He looked at us disdainfully. Disdainfully means, yeah, full of contempt. That means he was so started hating that why they have brought them to a veterinary doctor, and why he was getting all that injections and all that. So he looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say, what's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Now he told, what's a barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Now he's telling what's a barium carbonate. That means as if he is telling that barium carbonate is nothing. Okay, doesn't have any effect on a big bear like him. Bruno is still eating. Now we have come to paragraph 11. Now paragraph 11. Here we are. Now children, here we are here. Not in paragraph 15 but in paragraph 12. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. That means children, he started growing. Okay, now he started growing. He started becoming much huge. He had equaled the Alsatian in height. So nowadays he had become equal the Alsatian in height and had ever outgrown them, but was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful. Now, but Bruno, he was very sweet, he was very mischievous, just very playful, and he was very fond of all of us. So he was very fond, he loved everybody. Above all, he loved my wife, and first of all, Bruno, he loved his wife very much, and she loved him too. Both loved each other. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba. Now children, his wife, not since he has grown up, and she had changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy. Baba means small boy, and he could do a few tricks, children. The best thing was that he was able to do few tricks also. Now let's see what tricks he had learned. So here we are. At the command Baba, wrestle. At the command Baba, wrestle. That means he used to fight. Or Baba box. Sometimes he used to do boxing also. He vigorously is in a very strong manner, with full of energy. Tackle anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. Tumble is fall quickly. Give him a stick and say Baba hold gun. And children, he had a stick also, and if somebody used to say Baba hold gun, and he pointed at a stick at you just like as if he is holding a gun. Ask him, Baba, where's baby? Now he also had, with the help of the stick, if somebody told him that Baba, where's the baby, he immediately produced and cradle. Cradle means as if it is kept in the cradle. He put the skin stick like that as if he is cradling a baby. So this he did with the help of the wood, affectionately a stump of wood which he has carefully concealed in his straw bag. Now children, that wood he had hidden in his concealed means, what is the meaning of concealed? He had hid that stick in his bag. But because of the tenants, children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. Now children, but since he had grown up, and just for the safety of tenants, children, he had to be chained most of the time. Then my son, I advised my wife and friend advised her too to keep Baba to the zoo at Mysore. He was getting too big to keep home. Now children, everybody had given told him suggestion that since he is growing up and just for the safety, everybody advised that we should take Baba to the zoo at Mysore. He was getting too big to keep at home. Now since he is not a pet animal, he is not suitable for a home. After After some week of such advice, she at last consented. Well, children, finally, at first she was not able. Okay, then finally she consented. What is the meaning of consented? Consented means, here it is. Consented means agreed. So we were here. Consented means she agreed. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo. Very soon, everybody has written the letter to the curator of the zoo. What is the meaning of curator? Curator means the person who is in charge of the zoo. Curator means the person official in charge of the zoo is known as curator. Did he want the same beer for his collection? Now children, he also wanted to have some beer for his collection. He replied yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry. Now a cage was also sent to them in a lorry. Okay, which was a distance of 87 miles. Now children, it covered the distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. Now but children, they have packed the Baba inside that cage, and we all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. My wife was inconsolable. Inconsolable means not to be consoled. Okay, she became very sad. Okay, and she had lost her peace. She wept and fretted. Fretted again is getting angry. For the first few days she would not eat a thing. Now children, for the first few days she had not eaten a thing. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came to the replies, well, but fretting, he refuses food too. So this type of replies came from the zoo, from the curator of the zoo. Now children, we are here after that friends visiting Mysore. Well, many friends visited Mysore after this. Mysore, and they were begged to make a point of going to the zoo. Whoever went Mysore, now children, they were begged to just go and see and find it about Baba, and seeing how Baba was getting along. They reported that he was well but looked very thin. Now children, they have reported that he was well but he looked very thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. Now children, time to time people were sent. Okay, and people started saying that he is not only becoming thin, he is also started fretting. Fretting means, I told you just now, fretting means what? Fretting means to get angry. For 3 months, managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Now, children, for 3 months he did not send. Restrain means he controlled. Restrain means what? He controlled his wife from visiting Mysore. Then she said one day, I must see Baba, either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus. Now she was very rigid that day. She told, I just want to see him, either you take by car or I will go by myself by in a bus. So such was the situation. She was not able to stay now. She want to see him and find about his that how he is living and everything. Now I'm here, children. Paragraph 16. Friends had conjectured. Conjectured means guessed that the bear would not recognize her. So friends had guessed that the bear will forget her because she is going after a long time. I had thought so too. Not even the narrator was having this feeling in his mind. But while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. Now, children, she was a bit too far away from his cage, some yards away from his cage. Baba saw her and recognized her at once. So, children, it was Baba who saw her and he recognized her at once. Okay, he howled. What is the meaning of howled? Howl means he cried with happiness. She ran up to him, patted him through the bar. Now, children, she also ran and petted. What is the meaning of petted? Petted means she fondled him through the bars. Bars are the cage bars, iron rods, and stood on his he stood on his head in delight. Now, children, Baba was also very happy. Even he stood with his head held high and he was very happy. Now, we are here. For the next 3 hours, she would not eat. Total 3 hours she stood there. Okay, she was not leaving the cage, and in the meantime she had given a lot of things to Baba, like she gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream. Then and what not. Then closing time came. Children, the worst thing happened now. Now, children, closing time came. Now, children, the zoo also had time for closing. So that time came and they had to leave now. We had to leave now. My wife cried bitterly. Baba cried bitterly. Now, children, both started crying. Alright, they started crying bitterly means what is the meaning of bitterly? Greatly. Okay, both of them started crying in a very great manner. Even the hardened curator and the keeper Karen, you can see in this picture how nicely Baba is standing with his head held high, and she is giving a cake, lot of things to the bear to eat, and both are very fond of each other. So even the zoo curator and the caretaker, they felt depressed. As for me, I had reconciled myself what I knew was going to happen next. Now the writer already guessed what is going to happen next. See the meaning of, write the meaning of reconciled. Reconciled means, children, compromised. Now children, he already guessed now what is going to happen next. He already knew. He knew she will start crying and she will what to say, she will force him and everybody to take the zoo, to take him back to Bangalore. Now children, in my tomorrow's video I will tell you what really happened. So now I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.